For platforms handling sensitive data, the login page is more than a functional gate. It is a psychological threshold. If a portal looks outdated or fragile, users hesitate to provide their credentials. At Anglia, we specialize in website design that creates a vault experience, a seamless blend of impenetrable security and high-end visual cues that reinforce trust. Visual trust indicators are the foundation of a professional secure portal. This includes the strategic use of SSL badges, clean typography, and a balanced color palette that avoids aggressive alarms. Anglia utilizes sophisticated web-based application development to integrate multi-factor authentication, MFA, and biometric login options elegantly. These responsive security features ensure users feel protected regardless of the device they use. For banking, financial institutions, and listed companies, the stakes of identity management are exceptionally high. Our technical team at Anglia ensures that back-end encryption is matched by a front-end experience that feels robust and deliberate. Whether you are managing a medical, healthcare, patient portal, or a corporate online presence, a secure login must be frictionless yet firm. Ultimately, a secure design reduces user anxiety and boosts long-term engagement. From educational institutions to government and NGOs, transparency in data handling is key. Anglia provides the technical optimization to ensure your login portal acts as a safe harbor for your clients. Is your current login process driving users away due to security concerns? Contact us today for a comprehensive UI/UX security audit.